Welcome guys, good morning, welcome everyone. Hey, happy Monday time. How are you today? Welcome guys. Morning. Welcome chat. Hey. How you doing everyone? How do you feel today? Ready for another amazing week out here? With some big deals going around, of course, as usually. News around inflation, news about government shutdown, news around jobs. We are live, working towards our $10,000 payout today. And we got a giveaway as well. Come on. Good morning, welcome. Let's go, guys. Happy to see you. Good evening as well for some of you. Good afternoon. Come on. Shut it down. Come on. Make sure to share this presentation with all your friends, community members, pretty much everywhere, guys. What are we trading here? Markets are trading pretty high today, right? Close to the 900s, which is a temporary top. And I only have to do $500, guys. That's it. It's the last day. Here's the actual stats for 5 accounts. It is the last day. Let me change the banners. I do have some better banners out there. There you go. That one at the top as well. Beautiful. Good morning. Let's go with the trading, guys. Only 1 point is needed. And we're good to go for a $10,000 payout. Let's take it slowly, right? And everything's fine here. 5 minute, 15 minute, everything's fine. I'm just looking for seeing some... The 900s did represented a significant resistance. We managed to do a lower high on the 900s last time. And the trend continued. So it was a level of significant rejection. For the moment, it is a temporary stop. I don't know what's going to happen further in terms of stronger movements, but for the micro representation, our daily opening is 726. We're trading above everything, guys, and I'm searching right now to short the markets. Somewhere around 93. But again, good morning, welcome guys. Make sure to like the video. The question is whether I should position myself against this whole thing. Right, we clearly get dominated by the bulls during this session today on this Monday, of course. And the question is whether I'd like to find myself trying to making money from these things, right? In a place where I actually have the ability to go for this trend. As you can see, the length and the force is much bigger for the bulls. Is much bigger for the bulls. The question is, for how long? This is an interesting... If this holds here, not a limit order. I need a market order.
Order
If this
filled.
continues with that double rejection there, that could be an interesting level. Let's just test it out, guys. Good morning, welcome guys. There is no account. Straight to funded plus for the Ticktick trader. There is account, of course there is. By the way, for those of you that need the links, here's the link for the Ticktick trader. It is maximum discount available.
Order filled.
Couple of points down.
Order filled.
We have plenty of money in the account. And we only need a day of 500 bucks. We got a continuation here.
Order filled.
Going double down on that one. 3 points are needed, guys. Definitely not a big deal at all. Come on. There's so much rejection coming from the highs. Tomorrow we have jolts, job openings. It wouldn't be bad to be a sharp drop. I don't even need that much of a stop loss on my entry.
Order filled.
And the target has been hit exactly $500. There you go, guys. $10,000 secured. This is the 10th point needed. Here you are. There you go, guys. There you go. Celebration time fireworks. Everything's needed. That's how we do it. Thank you guys for supporting me, for helping me. Look at that. 500 bucks, 10 points achieved, 5 accounts. Boom. Hey, that's the way to go. Let's just go for it, guys. Let's just go for it. $10,000 secured, confirmed. There you go. Exactly $500. Look at that. Let me see what happened in the market here. And we just exited at the right time. Look at this, guys. It's hard to make money from shorts when the market follows through a powerful uptrend. Look at that. This is continuous non-stop. Making money from shorts is a disaster. Beautiful, guys. Thank you so much for helping me. Make sure to like the video. Let's get those numbers up. It's a really good way to start off the week, of course. The giveaway is a $50,000 account. You have to be here on the live stream. 50 grand on the giveaway. We just qualified. Let me change these numbers here and the stuff going around. So. Oh my God. Let's go. There you go. $10,000 secured today. Let me quickly verify if we have this 500 bucks on all the accounts. 500. 500. It's 500 pretty much everywhere. The copy trader is working perfectly, guys. Beautiful. What's up, buddy? We got 10 points today. We just made our 500, the last point needed, and we're good to go. So if you want to be part of the giveaway right now with a Ticktick trader we're doing today, make sure to be on the live stream with us. The giveaway starts a little bit later. You have to be on the live stream. You have to join our Discord. And you gotta like the video. Sure, buddy, you can get your Savius later. Plenty of time there. The 60% off on Savius is expiring at the end of the month. There is gonna be a different promotion coming afterwards. Right, so 60% off expires at the end of the month. I'm back in 1 minute. We will have 8,000. We will have 8,000 in our live wallet. If you wait for the new promotion tomorrow, then it's going to be more expensive because the new promotion is going to be less percentage, right? Till the end of the month, you have the maximum, and then the discount is going to decrease, right? Currently, it's 60% off. I'm back in a minute, guys. Back in 1 minute. Let's go. So, good morning, guys. 10,000 confirmed. Let's put it right there, pin post. Mr. P. So for Ticktick Trader, here's by the way the link for those of you that would like to grab your accounts straight to Funded Plus, $245 each, very cheap. Let me just take it step by step. Mr. P with the Ticktick Trader live accounts. The ones that I know, which are on live, have no rules. Simply, their new straight to Funded Plus live system comes with no rules, and it's also specified in their help center, right? So for the Ticktick Trader, it's specified in their help center. They're new. Going live with straight to Funded Plus, this is what you care, right? So here's the article, buddy. Here's the article. I'm sending you the link in the chat. With a support Ticktick Trader, that one. Going live with straight to Funded Plus. No daily loss limit, no profit score. Daily multiple withdrawals are allowed. Qualify for profit transfer, which means you can move money from your SimPro into your live wallet, into your live accounts, right? If you still have money in your SimPro, you can move them. By the way, they're going to be paused when you're going to be moved to live. And then there is an 80% split for you. No, it's a very comfortable. The straight to Funded Plus live is very, very good. You just have to move live from here. Now, Arthur, let me see your first question. Very basic question, but it's just to confirm. Yes, 2,000 is going to be deducted from the balance. I have 106,800. So it's going to be deducted from that 106,800. So if in 12 days you lose if you collect your points, 10 points, and you have 2,000 bucks at the end of the day, you can still take that out, right? So you need to collect your 10 points on Ticktick Trader and simply have 2,000 bucks. That's all. Yes, in that scenario, if you have nothing remaining in the account, so if you have 102, you take out 2,000, you lose the account because you remain with 100, and 100 is your max loss, right? 100 is your max loss. Sure, I'm gonna make a video on the Ticktick Trader withdrawal. Okay guys, plain setup for tap 1. So plain setup is quite simple. You need to sign up from the invitation tap 1 sends you on your email, right? You need to connect your plain for tap 1 futures. Tap 1 futures will send you an invitation. If you haven't got an invitation, you have to reach out, tap on future support, and let them know it's your first payout. You need an invitation. You need to create an account for playing. It's taking 5 minutes to create the accounts. It's very, very, quick, easy, and simple. $100,000 from swing trading. Wow, that's not bad. If you have 10 grand, and if you're in a bull market of the cryptos, you can transform 10,000 into 100. In bull market, not in any markets. So, we've been making money from the short here, and we're very happy about it. We have 106,800 in this Ticktick Trader accounts, and we're gonna take out 2,000 from each. We're having 5, so we're gonna remain with 104,800. After this withdrawal, we're gonna have $8,000 in our wallet, live wallet, right? So we're building our live wallet, 8,000 bucks there. The minimum threshold to be moved to live is actually $10,000. So $2,000 more will be needed to be moved into our live wallet, which means we need 3 more payouts. 3 accounts. Not 3 of 5, but 3 payouts, like 3 accounts. Now we're gonna get 5. 3 more will be needed, and we're gonna get to live. Yeah, so if they send you the invitation, you have to use that link, sign up, and get your KYC verification. That's what you have to do, know your customer. So you have to verify your identity, and that's it, right? Why Plain now? They changed from Rise into Plain, which is a similar system that allows you pretty quick payouts to your bank account. So it is a alternative of Rise. No Rise, because Rise had issues. It was slow, and because of Rise, Tap 1 Futures had 2 or 3 days of delays in the payouts. So they disagree with that, and they want to avoid risks. And now they move to Plain as well, having an alternative. You know, people get upset if you tell them you have a problem with the payment processor. Therefore, you want to find some solutions, and they came up with Plain. Hello guys, welcome. Thank you, Henry. Great job. Make sure to like the video. So we got this $10,000 payout confirmed. We did it again. It's the second of 5 accounts. And I'd like to move on and trade some of my Ignite accounts here on the Tab 1 futures. Let's just go ahead and set it up. Set up the copy trader, 541, 555 accounts. Let's do it, guys. 541, 555, the first two accounts on Ignite. Let's see if we can do something.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Beautiful short. We got in a quick short here. We got to make 500 bucks, right? That's it. Look at that. We're about to hit that. Putting the stop loss on. Oh my god. It was very close, guys. Come on. It was very close hitting the target. We're trading right now my Tab 1 futures Ignite accounts. Exactly. We had the fireworks. We had the fireworks show. For the Ticktick trader, we had a big fireworks show. We got our $10,000. Beautiful, guys. Thank you, guys. So Blue Sky is going through the same procedure right now. Yeah, Rice is having some problems with the prop firms lately. Oh my god, we're just... Keep going. Oh my god, look at that. I think that's a single tick, guys. That's a single tick. What on earth is happening here? What if you get to take the $10,000 live mark without the points for a payout? Do they move you to live? And does the point system still apply? We're gonna get stopped out on break even 50 bucks instead of making our target by a single tick. Look at that. You cannot get to your $10,000 live mark. Groups, you have a separated wallet called Live Wallet, where your Live Wallet resources are accumulating from each payout you're taking on the sim-funded accounts. So now I'm having a $10,000 payout on the sim-funded accounts. Today I qualified for this. From this 10,000, 4,000 will be moved into my Live Wallet, on which I already have 4,000. So on that one I'm gonna have a total of 8,000. When I get to collect 10,000 totally, I'll be moved to live and my sim funded will be paused, resumed back in trading if I lose my live. That's how it works. You have two separated wallets. This is two separated things. The sim funded accounts and the live wallet in which you're constructing
Order
from
filled.
the payouts you're taking from the sim world. Bank details. When you would like to withdraw, yes, you need. So we got break even here because of a tick, guys. They're watching the live stream again. You see, this is the disadvantage of being a streamer. Market makers are watching this and they're hitting me pretty hard. So if you blow up the account, the money on the wallet goes away too. No. The money in your wallet of Live Wallet will always remain like that, no matter what you do in the sim funded accounts. No matter. Right? So you just accumulate more and more in your Live Wallet account by taking payouts from the sim funded ones. Because from each payout of the sim funded, 40% goes into your Live Wallet. It's a joke. It's a joke we always do. Our community knows about it. Our community that are part daily knows about it. So you never lose that money from the live account because you lose your sim funded. No, that's a separated wallet on which you just build and build. $2,000 is not net withdrawal. There is a separation of 50%. 50% in Rise, 40% in your live, and 10% for TTT fees. Right? That's the, let's put it that way, organization. That's the way they organize your payouts on Ticktick Trader straight to Funded Plus. Oh. Look at that. So that 40% that goes in your live wallet, which you're constantly accumulating, has nothing to do with your losing accounts or buying new accounts or whatever procedure you do in the sim-funded world. Yeah, I sound too serious about the market makers. Very likely. I do want to sound like that. That's also the point. Trying to confuse some people. Not everyone, but just some people. We have to do, guys, Ticktick Trader Cup. We need to do an event with this. We have to do some kind of a charity. I'll talk with the guys behind Ticktick Trader. I told you in December we should do some charity. We should basically... Yeah, I'm trying to confuse the market makers, exactly. I wanted to make some money again from shorting. But this is bad. Why do I search shorting in this market? Look at that. Like, I have my mind set up wrongly, guys. You know what I'm thinking right now? We went up so much. It's time to reverse. But I don't have a proof for that. Yet my mind is thinking that way. And that's bad. I'm telling you. That's bad. In this kind of markets, it's very hard for me participating in longs. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We have a $50,000 giveaway today. But there is nice resistance coming around this level. I was speaking about the 903, 904. So essentially I would short
Order
the market
filled.
again here. $500. That's the target for this Ignite accounts and tap on futures. They're no longer available for purchase, this Ignite accounts. It was a promotion for a limited period of time, but they're not a good business, guys, because it's set up on equity stability score. And it's a total madness. You know, I have to do a lot of the money to get to the payout here, and I got good trading happening, right? This is not bad trading, look at that. And I am nowhere near to be close for a payout. Think about how miserable. Nowhere near to be close for the payout. Looks like we're not reversing. So I'm trading today Ticktick Trader, which is something I finished for today. Tap on futures and then continue with Savius accounts. Look at that. We're gonna grind till a big flush comes in. The problem with that, it's kind of rare. Yeah. Trend is your friend, and I have no comfort into trading the trend right now for some reason. I want to find some new friends with the reversal, which is something I want. Maybe the markets do not want. Still think we have a good chance here for the 905. Let's see. Moving into a higher time frame. We nicely have those wicks here, right? Talked about earlier. Yeah. I want to betray the trend nicely. We got to our target today by shorting. And we were one tick away from nicely hitting the target here on this ignites. We have some more accounts to trade here on Top 1 Futures, and then we're going to move to our savviest ones that are 60% off. You pay $256 for the 150K and you get a $2,700 payout. That's more than 10 times with a profit target of 5%. You just have to do 5% for your first payout. 5% and the payout is 10 times more than what you paid. It's not bad. For those of you that would like to see it, here's the link. You want to sign up, and inside your dashboard area you will be able to see these accounts. These are the ones I'm talking about. These prices are, from here you got to cut 60%, right? So the Tomcat is 256. You got to utilize the code SCRAMBLE. There's also a 300K account. We have 1 day of trading here of 1,800 on this account. It's an instant funding end of the day. I'm gonna open up a short here as well, guys.
Order filled.
Let me test out something.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm trading this one alone. Beautiful. Did we touch our No. What just happened, guys? Do we have Trump speaking again? Come on. Take it down, buddy. We got a target here on 98. We got a target on the Ignite on the other ones on 97. If we touch the target, come on. We're setting the stop loss there, break even. Oh my god, what the hell? Look at that.
Order filled. Order filled.
You know, I sold basically
Order filled.
1,100 profit here. We're fine with that. And I'm leaving this one open. With break even. We made 1,100 on the other side.
Order filled.
Nah, break even here. But we're gonna celebrate, guys. 1,100 on the other side. Great stuff. Great stuff. Absolutely beautiful. Come on. 20% consistency in Savius, correct. I'd like to see how powerful are the bears. 1,100, we gotta... If we get this one all the way back into 906, I'm happy to short that. 907, really happy to short it. Exactly. I promise you for more fireworks, buddy. I mean, you have to speak with the market makers. When they watch the stream, they gotta deliver so I can show you fireworks, right? Make sure to join our Discord, guys. Happy and beautiful community out there. You gotta talk with the market makers. Might just drop them an email. Careful next time. You see, right now the price action is changing for the first time in this whole thing. We're no longer having the bulls pitching back and quickly rejecting and sending it back like we had them here. It's different right now. It's also a way longer 1 minute candlestick we had. 1 minute. 1 minute candlestick. It's different right now. We might see a bit of a change. Yeah, take profit would have hit. The reason I have exited out of the take profit is the movement was very aggressive to the downside, and the order book was quite thin. So there was a risk of the markets quickly pushing back with a wick to the top, taking my break even because of this aggressive movement. The order book was thin. That's why I pushed basically the take profit. If it would have been a slow bleeding, a consistent movement, organic, that's something else. Is it dumping? Beautiful. That's a good sign. I'd like to see the cryptos doing, you know, I think we're gonna see some gold movements. But a dollar might attack the lows once again, close to 96. Come on. We gotta break below this week. And finally, October be October for the cryptos. Look at a dollar 15 minute. Thank you guys for joining and for watching. We got less than 30 minutes and the market opens. One giveaway is scheduled. Secure $10,000 in payout here for the Ticktick trader. No consistency rule. We've been very aggressive at the beginning. Have a look into that. 1,500 the first day, 2,400 the next day. It's almost $4,000 in the first 2 days. And I actually got to a point there where my stop loss was no longer moving. It was stuck at the original balance on the 100K. So already after the second day, I successfully blocked my stop loss. No more trailing. We got a loss afterwards, but then has been recovered the next day, and then another loss and another recovery the next day. So I've been stubborn, and I wanted to recover my previous day loss right in the next one. I did not dedicate it 2 or 3 days for recovery. I actually went for total recovery in a day. And actually on the 18th, which was the second recovery, you see we successfully did that in 2 trades. If you look at the quantity, the number of trades we usually do for this money, 2 trades here, 2 trades, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Right? So there's definitely not any back and forth. That's my style. I told you guys, if this is going back to 907, I told you earlier, I'm going to reshort it. And I didn't reshort it. I was watching it earlier, thinking about it, and I said, I don't know how. This could actually go higher, I said, and I'm not going to reshort it. But then it would have been very good. But I didn't have the feeling of another short here. Good job. Yeah, we got to see it by the next, last quarter into all-time high Ethereum. Perpetuals. With perpetuals, you got to be careful. Huge risks. Big money can be made, like I said. With 10,000 you can make 100. But you can also lose your 100 in 72 hours if you don't know how to trade perpetuals. 5x leverage, 10x leverage, 20x leverage. These things are extremely dangerous if the knowledge is not there. So it's very likely, basically, not to succeed if you're pushing without the needing knowledge. The safest way is, 2 or 3x leverage on the perpetuals, and that's it, right? I mean, for someone that is not fully controlling the environment, those are the limits I suggest you. 2 or 3x leverages, and that's it. Think about if you're dealing with altcoins, they're going to do 10-15% a day. If you put it out on 2x leverage, sometimes that's going to be 20-30% daily, just like that. 20-30% daily is a lot. It's just total craziness, right? Thank you guys for joining, appreciated. I do have a lot of the altcoins these days, a lot of them. But certainly right now the favorite is Ethereum. Ethereum has been really good, guys, in terms of the big ones. And then of course, out of the top 50 on CoinMarketCap, based on market cap, you can have a decent selection.
Order filled.
I think this is going to slide further. Let's see. I'm not going a big position here. Let's see, guys, now. Looks like we are seeing something else. Just thinking about a 70s here. I don't know if we get it. Yeah, Ignite straight to funded are not good at all. Yeah, if you take a loss on the Ignite and it's not 200 bucks, you're gonna have a difficult time getting to the payout. Right, you have to organize, yeah, 10,000 to get a 1,000 payout. Yes, because of the equity stability score, exactly. $7 days of $1,500 each. Each day, yeah. Makes no sense for the 1,000 bucks. But of course, you gotta do it. That's also good money at the end of the day. It's an exercise of...
Order filled.
It's an exercise of wisdom. Looks much better right now for a further slide into my 78 target. Could also be a local bottom here for the 1 minute.
Order filled.
I'm going deeper. Hopefully not into mud. Hopefully this is not a local bottom. It looks like there's people longing this. This is not the most convincing short, guys. Certainly not. I'm expecting a continuation here, but obviously from a level that is quite dangerous. 20% consistency, we have it on the instant funding accounts on the top 1 futures. This one's instant sim funded, where by the way you have a 5% extra discount than what is listed. Nah. I'm
Order
just fully
filled.
out. That's bad, guys. This has huge chances of running back up. At least that's what it speaks in 1 minute.
Order filled. Order filled.
I gave my profit away.
Order filled.
That's not a difficult target there. 1,270 into 95. 3 more points needed. Not going for a higher target for the moment. We just have to break out. This 92 is a place where we could get stuck. Hopefully not. Come on. Keep going. This one, 92. Thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Like the video, the giveaway is going to be here on the live stream a little bit later. I'm setting a stop loss on break even. Oh. We're very, very tight. 1 point away.
Order filled.
Break even touched. That would have been a good opportunity. Do we get a continuation
filled.
here, guys? Or there's going to be another reversal.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. Might just be another reversal. But the 5 minute is not bullish, right? 5 minute is not bullish, is seeking for continuation. I'd love to see that 870s touched here. I'm in a pretty dangerous spot here. Pretty dangerous spot here. Might just take a bigger loss here. Look at that. Have to set it over there. There's no way I could let this one run. We had a long earlier. Nah. Pretty bad. We were nicely sitting in that long earlier. Moving my stop loss right above this red candle makes no sense to leave it higher. If it's converting this one, oh beautiful, come on. Good morning, welcome guys. We got $10,000 payout confirmed on Ticktick Trader today. Pretty happy and proud about it. We collected our 10 points. Told you 5 minute is bearish. Let's see. Let's see if there's continuation for that. Careful with the markets trapping longs here. Giving you some nice wicks on the 1 minute that are instantly denied. Let's see. Do we get another one, guys? Another rejection here. "13 minutes to go and the market opens. You think the fireworks are loading? Let's see. Insane, right? Look at this price section. Wow. All the way back.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out. All the way back. Highly manipulated right now. Highly manipulated.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm being a little bit aggressive here.
Order filled.
I'm also going to trade my Ignite.
Order filled.
$8.94 for my target. Do we get a barcode here back and forth? What's happening? No breakout to the upside nor to the downside. I might just stop trading this market structure here.
Order filled.
$8.94 for my exit. Totally denied. $8.95 over here. Come on. We're extremely aggressive. $8.94 and $8.95. Keep going, buddy. I don't need to make more here on this Ignite. Beautiful. Keep going. Do not dare to reverse here. I'm gonna set the break even on this, on this situation.
Order filled.
It's coming all the way back. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Nah. This is not tradable.
Order filled.
I'm out here.
Order filled.
This is not tradable. I'm sorry. This is bullshit.
Order filled.
I'll just take that loss there and that's it, right? Not an issue. We're $700 below the initial starting point. We made 1,800 and we've lost 2,500 today. We had some good opportunities. No, I just have to wait here. This is nonsense. Crap. It's gambling right now. I don't want to gamble anything. Yeah. just about the longs that I've been sitting for a long period of time, guys. I got into strong longs back in the day, 2024. So, fourth quarter, I'm about at longs. We had a nice dip in the past couple of days. Late September, nice dip for the cryptos. Things could get triggered. Late 2025, Raleigh. Not gonna trade this. Watching it. The market cap is breaking all-time high. It's not dead. Let me share with you the daily. So here's the cryptocurrency's market cap, guys. Let me share with you the weekly chart. Right. We're looking for seeing the exponential move, which didn't happen yet. Five minutes to when the market opens. Yeah, October. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. I still want to trade all my Ignite accounts. Also Simpro. I like to trade this one too. We have a good day. 1,500. We have 3 accounts out of this. 1,500 we made there. Looks like it wants to go up, right? Looks like the defensive line is delivering. Come on. You want to see this down? We got 882 holding once again. Less than 5 minutes to go. We're also going to trade our Savius accounts on Quantower. No, I don't. We had a nice flush here. Let's see if we have the ability to have a tiny reversal there. Testing out along here. Nah. This might just go for a continuation into the opening. But let's wait. Five-minute continues the cascade. I'll take my daily loss, which is 1,000. We've been doing a knife catching trade. Kind of lost my focus with this.
Order filled.
Yeah. We got a daily stop loss, 1,000. We still have 1,400 above the main balance. Moving on to my next Ignite accounts. We are trading 4 of them. Let's see what we can do here. Wow. That's a beautiful flush. We're having a level here, 855. That 855 might just give us a nice reaction. Let me open up Quantower and get the markets ready. Make sure to like the video. We're having the giveaway starting soon. Good morning, guys. Welcome. $10,000 secured. We secured a payout from the Ticktick trader today. 5 accounts. Pretty happy about it. For those of you that would like to grab your accounts, here's the link. That's the link in the chat. I just sent it to you. Also, feel free to join our Discord community, guys. We have a lot to speak, a lot to do. Look at the markets plummeting. $20 seconds to go. Unstoppable here. Down into the daily VWAP. Nine seconds to go. I'm putting the opening bell. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. I'm gonna be aggressive with this.
Order filled.
Keep going. I'm out.
Order filled.
186 only.
Order filled.
3 more contracts here. I just have to hold.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
582. That's it. I'm gonna manually lock myself out. 582. Let me see some Savious trading, guys. Come on. 10 points out. $410 profit here. Beautiful. 410 net P&L, as you can see. Got into another long position here. Keep going, buddy. I'm out. 1,340 totally. Look at that, guys. Net P&L, you can see that on the screen. 1,340 pretty quickly, right? Pretty quickly. Markets are pumping. You know, I kind of got my target here. Moving on to the next one. We're gonna do the fireworks soon. That's a huge move. Daily opening. 726 daily opening. We touched daily VWAP. I went along this, but I'm just waiting a little bit. Maybe I get something interesting. Maybe I get something around the 60s. I don't know. Maybe we get it there down into 60s. I'll have 5 contracts on the 60, guys. Limit order. Let me see if I get that. Otherwise, this is just gonna rip. And I'm missing the move. Yeah. Let me test it out from the highs here. I don't mind. I think we're breaking above the previous wick. So I'm setting a limit order there. Come on. I'm being very aggressive, guys. 15 minis here. That's gone. That's too much. That's too much. That was actually too much. Have DC'd around this level. Thank you guys for joining. Get ready for the giveaways. Pretty good target on 84. $83 right now. Stop loss and break even. Target has been hit. Beautiful. 1,500. Yeah. That's great, guys. Celebration time. You know, there's celebration time. We nicely got to the target on 2 accounts here at Savius. Beautiful. Thank you, guys. Let's go. Oops. No opening bell. I'm sorry for that. This is where we are. Look at the Russells. Nvidia is 275. Nvidia is crazy, guys. About to fly all-time high Nvidia. About to go for the all-time high today. So I don't think Nasdaq is not going to get there. I'm sorry. Look at the Russells. It's there. It's gone. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Look at the Russells. What on earth is happening here with the Russells? Usually this is needed for the altcoins, right? So Russells need to have an expanded season. I still want to trade my Sim Pro accounts here.
Order filled.
Do we get another rejection, guys? I'm trading this one alone. I should have copy traded. We were having 3 accounts like this. Nah, look at that.
Order filled.
We're going for the target. Ticktick trader, tap on futures. This is tap on futures what I'm trading right now. And the other one that I traded on Quantower is basically the Savius. But this is tap on futures. Longing the other account as
Order
well.
filled.
Going for the target there. We almost touched the target here on this with 10 minis. We almost got it. Thank you, guys. $10,000 payout. Come on. Keep pulling the trigger. Putting the stop loss and break even.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Target has been touched. 1,472. Going to the next one, guys. Putting the break even over here as well. We're going to run fireworks. We touched the target there. Great. Celebration time. Thank you guys for joining.
Order filled.
We touched the break even here. No surprise. But very important. On the other one, 1,472. This was actually the second day. And I should have copy traded because this 3 accounts that I have of Sim Pro for the tap on futures, I should have copy traded this ones. Yesterday, I mean not yesterday, but on Friday, on 26th, I copy traded. Today was something different. Exactly. Let's go, guys. Come on. I got a pretty strong feeling this is breaking out and then never stops unless we touch that 25 100s. 25 100s. Do you guys want to stop at 25,000? I don't want to stop at 25,000. Let me ask you a question in the chat. So, do we touch 25 500s this week? Oops, let me delete that. I want to make a pool. Start a pool. Right, let me know what you guys think about 25 500s. I ask you a pool. Boom. Come on. Keep going. Look at the explosion, guys. Look at the explosion above. That's what we're talking about. Gold ripping higher. Nvidia. Probably that's what you wanted to say, Nvidia. Nvidia is ripping higher, guys. But the Russells are dead. S&P, what's happening with our S&P? Probably it's going to go higher. Do we get that 6,900s by the end of the year? I'm going to long...
Order filled. Order
10
filled.
contracts here. Sim Pro accounts, tap on futures, 10 contracts long. Come on. Come on, buddy. Get into that wick. Break even on the stop loss. Keep going.
Order filled.
Target has been touched. The second account of 1,500 celebration time. I told you we're gonna fill up the wick. Boom. Oh my god. This is so bullish, guys. Yeah, we're killing it today, especially with a $10,000 payout confirmed today. We made 10 points for the Ticktick trader. Nasdaq exploding. Cryptos are exploding too. Look at that 5-minute boom. Bitcoin 13,000. Bitcoin did $1,000 in 5 minutes. What else do you guys want to see? Nasdaq is what's happening. Hey, we are printing, guys. We are printing. You guys want to search my Ethereum trade here on Discord? I'm not going to show it to you. Let's see. We get any message here with the Ethereum. We have a big spot position here. You want to search for the Ethereum post that I have here. I cannot show that to you on live stream. You're gonna kidnap me. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Nvidia is going to be extremely wild around the 210, 215. S&P close to 7,000, 609, 150s. And then Nasdaq, of course. 80% of you, 81% of you consider 25 500s. Look at that. I mean, we have one more account here of SimPro to be trading. Yeah, I do have altcoins, a lot of altcoins right now. Good time for the giveaway. Soon we're gonna do the giveaway. We're gonna do it, guys, very soon. Thank you, by the way, for watching, for joining. Appreciate it. Look at the markets. They're giving you beautiful trades, beautiful opportunities. This is one of the greatest Mondays we've got. Greatest Mondays. You can do blind longing today. So once again, we traded Ticktick Trader. And here's the link. 245 an account. That's a terrible discount in a positive way. That's extremely discounted, right? Project X, Tradeovate, NinjaTrader, TradingView, whatever out there. You got to do that 10 points, just like we did here. And if I was capable, one of the worst traders in the world, top 5 worst traders in the world, if I was capable, and of course, you guys have no issues at all. No questions around. You know, we're just, of course, getting Tap 1 futures. A lot of the discounts with Scramble coupon codes, you get 5% extra than what they give you. Of course, you got to be extremely cautious because there's going to be madness in the markets today and tomorrow. And hopefully, we're going to have an October. Look at that. This is going more and more aggressive, guys. More and more aggressive. What's happening with the dollar? Breaking down. Losing the 200 EMA on 4 hours. Wow. Yeah, 209 per account if you pay by Skrill or if you pay by crypto. It's insane, guys. It's insane. And then the Savius accounts that I traded earlier on Quantower. 60% off on Savius code Scrambo. You can only see these accounts that are exclusively for our community if you have signed up, create an account. If you already have an old account, you have to create a new one with another email, right? If you have an account that is half a year ago or a year ago or 3 years ago, Savvy has been online for almost 10 years. It's a crazy company out there. Are you going to give those 10 accounts? Lamro, let's do it, buddy. Drop me the codes on Discord, and I'll happy take your 10 codes and give it to our community. Come on, let's do it, Lamro. Thank you for your offer. I do appreciate it. I'm waiting for the codes, Lamro. Good morning, welcome guys, come on. Sure, Lamro has an opportunity to deliver on his words. And of course, promises. Sure. Alright guys, so slowly we're gonna slowly we're gonna get to the wheel slowly, but you gotta like the video and be subscribed. There's no other way we're gonna get to the wheel. Right, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, and we're getting to the wheel. Guess what? Here's the wheel, guys. We're starting the giveaway. We only have a single giveaway today. Like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel with the notification bell turned on. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. And the third thing is join our Discord. The link is there. I'm waiting for you guys to do these 3 things. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let's just give them 10 seconds. I'm waiting, guys. You gotta wait. So, only 1 guess per person. Only 1 guess per person. If you're guessing multiple times and from multiple accounts, you're gonna get banned, you're not gonna receive the account, and your account goes in the next giveaways, starting with the next day. So, that's the rule. If you don't like it, there's nothing to be done with that. Beautiful. Get ready. Start. Let me know your numbers. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Come on. From 0 to 5. Only a single guess. And whenever I say stop in the chat, it's over. Stop. No more. That's it, guys. No more. That's it. You can stop. We're going to shuffle this 5 different times. We're going to shuffle this 5 different times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5th time came in. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus. Let's go. We got that red number 4 coming up pretty quickly. Red number 4 right there, guys. What do you think about it? Do we stop there on that red number 4? Let me just press the pedal a little more, and then now we're pressing the brake. There you go. Number 4, congratulations, fella. Number 4, congratulations. Let's get to the duck race. Come on. Loading. $24 winners. Wow. You have a massive chance right there of 4%. And you're going to compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Shuffle. We're going to shuffle this till we see that yellow hair. Here is it, guys. Look at that. Right? You know what I'm talking about. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Come on. Congrats for the winners with the number 4. Daniel, you are number 5. We got Zil right there, the police doc at the top. Zil is holding the police hat at the top. And someone is having a nice cigar. Look at that. Where are you, Oliver? I can see you. You must be the bear or something, right? With a brown number 15. Who are you? Are you the bear? You're gonna be bearish today with the markets. There's no bull here. Just about bearish ducks. Let's go, Mr. Dunn. Sebastian as well. Only one giveaway today, correct. Tomorrow we have 2. Tomorrow we got 2 giveaways, keep that in mind. You got the bear duck. We got a ICT macro time. The doctor. Late today, Anton, but we got $10,000 secured today. We made it on Ticktick Trader. We got the point needed. Big deal. So 1 giveaway today. See you tomorrow, guys. 2 giveaways tomorrow. And happy trading, of course. As usually. As usually. What else do we have? Who's gonna pick up the volume? Who's making that difference? Let's see. Come on. Look at the police. We got Zill winning, guys. We got Zill winning. He's been with us for months and months, and we got him winning. Number 6. Congratulations. Hey, beautiful. We're gonna run some fireworks. Come on. Boom. Celebrating together. Congratulations. There you go. Winner, you have to drop me a message on Discord. Private message me on Discord. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Have a good one, buddy. Thank you, Badger, once again for helping us, for having a great time. And of course, looking forward to it tomorrow. Have a peaceful day. You see what's happening with these numbers. Careful on shorting. And today, the very, 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 very critical thing is the sizing. Sizing today makes the difference. Even if you don't have the best entry, sizing is what can nicely sort it out for you. Have a good one, guys. Have a lovely day. We're looking forward to it. For anything on Discord, you have me there.